Welcome to a wild tour of the most outrageous and innovative home additions that push the boundaries of creativity and comfort. From luxurious shark tanks that bring aquatic marvels right into your living room, to exhilarating indoor roller coasters that create thrill-seeking experiences without ever leaving the house, we've got it all. Join us as we explore secret passageways, whimsical hobbit homes, and serene indoor waterfalls, transforming conventional living into an extraordinary adventure. Get ready to be inspired by treehouses, underground pools, and the ultimate in luxury, panic rooms perfect for both safety and style. 1. Shark tanks. A splash into luxury. Imagine walking into your living room and finding a shark tank instead of a TV set. Shark tanks are becoming a unique addition to some homes, offering a thrilling display that's both captivating and educational. These tanks aren't just small aquariums, they are expansive ecosystems that can house a variety of shark species. The fascination with these creatures and the tranquil beauty they bring to a home make them an attractive option for the adventurous homeowner. However, maintenance is no easy task. The water must be carefully monitored and kept at a stable temperature, and feeding the sharks requires expertise. Despite the challenges, shark tanks offer a mesmerizing glimpse into the underwater world, making them a top choice for those looking to make a grand statement. 2. Home roller coasters. A ride of a lifetime. For thrill seekers, having a roller coaster in their backyard is the ultimate dream come true. These custom-built coasters provide an exhilarating experience without the need to visit an amusement park. Home roller coasters are designed with safety in mind, featuring secure tracks and harness systems to ensure a fun yet safe ride. They can be tailored to fit the landscape of any yard, whether winding through trees or soaring over ponds. Although the initial investment is substantial, the joy and excitement these rides offer can be priceless. Families and friends can enjoy countless hours of fun, making home roller coasters a unique and entertaining addition to any residence. 3. Secret passageways. Mystery at home. Secret passageways conjure images of mystery and adventure, reminiscent of classic novels and films. These hidden corridors can be ingeniously incorporated into homes, offering a sense of intrigue and fun. From bookcases that swing open to reveal hidden rooms to staircases that lead to secret basements, the possibilities are endless. Homeowners often use these passageways to create private retreats or safe rooms, blending practicality with whimsy. Constructing a secret passageway requires careful planning and design, ensuring that it blends seamlessly with the existing architecture. While they may seem like a childhood fantasy, secret passageways offer a playful twist to any home, adding an element of surprise and delight. 4. Indoor slides. Fun and functionality. Indoor slides are becoming a popular feature in modern homes, offering a playful alternative to traditional staircases. They add a sense of fun and whimsy, appealing to both children and the young at heart. These slides can be customized in various materials and colors, fitting seamlessly into the home's decor. Beyond entertainment, slides can also serve as a practical solution for moving quickly between floors. The design process involves careful consideration of safety and space, ensuring that the slide is both functional and secure. Indoor slides transform everyday living into an exciting adventure, making them a sought-after addition for creative homeowners. 5. Hobbit homes. A step into fantasy. Inspired by the enchanting world of J.R.R. Tolkien, Hobbit homes offer a whimsical escape into fantasy. These charming dwellings are often built into hillsides, featuring rounded doors and windows that create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Constructing a Hobbit home involves the use of natural materials and innovative design to blend seamlessly with the landscape. The result is an eco-friendly abode that offers warmth and comfort. While they may seem like something out of a fairy tale, Hobbit homes are gaining popularity among those seeking a unique and sustainable lifestyle. They provide a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life, offering peace and serenity. 6. Treehouses. Elevated living. Treehouses are no longer just for kids, they have evolved into sophisticated living spaces for adults. These elevated structures offer a unique perspective on the surrounding environment, providing a peaceful escape from the ground below. Modern treehouses are equipped with all the comforts of a traditional home, from electricity and plumbing to stylish interiors. The construction of a treehouse requires careful consideration of the tree's health and the surrounding ecosystem, ensuring minimal impact on nature. Whether used as a guest house, office, or personal sanctuary, treehouses offer an adventurous and eco-friendly living experience that connects people with the natural world. 7. Indoor waterfalls. Nature's symphony. Bringing the soothing sound of flowing water indoors, waterfalls are a stunning addition to any home. These features create a calming ambiance, transforming living spaces into serene retreats. Indoor waterfalls can be designed in various styles, from sleek, modern installations to natural rock formations. They not only add beauty but also improve air quality and humidity levels, enhancing the overall atmosphere of a home. The installation process involves careful planning to ensure proper water circulation and drainage. Indoor waterfalls offer a touch of nature's majesty, creating a tranquil oasis that elevates the living experience. 8. Underground pools. Hidden paradises. Underground pools offer a hidden paradise for homeowners seeking privacy and luxury. These pools are ingeniously designed to blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, often concealed beneath gardens or patios. They provide a secluded oasis for relaxation and recreation, shielded from the prying eyes of neighbors. The construction of an underground pool requires specialized engineering to ensure structural integrity and proper drainage. Despite the complexity, the end result is a stunning addition that enhances the property's value and appeal. Underground pools offer a unique and luxurious swimming experience, allowing homeowners to enjoy the water in complete seclusion. 9. Home observatories. Stargazing in style. For astronomy enthusiasts, a home observatory offers the perfect opportunity to explore the night sky. These dedicated spaces provide a clear, unobstructed view of celestial wonders, from planets and stars to meteor showers and eclipses. Home observatories can be as simple as a rooftop deck with a telescope or as elaborate as a custom-built dome with advanced equipment. The key is to choose a location with minimal light pollution and a stable foundation for accurate observations. Whether used for serious study or casual stargazing, home observatories offer a unique and educational addition to any residence, inspiring curiosity and wonder. 10. Luxury panic rooms. Safety and style. Combining security with sophistication, luxury panic rooms are becoming a popular addition for safety-conscious homeowners. These fortified spaces provide a secure refuge during emergencies, equipped with advanced technology for communication and monitoring. Unlike traditional panic rooms, these modern versions boast stylish interiors and amenities, ensuring comfort and convenience. The design process involves collaboration with security experts to ensure optimal protection without compromising aesthetics. While they may seem excessive to some, luxury panic rooms offer peace of mind and a sense of security, making them a valuable investment for those who prioritize safety.